welcome to my channel, and this week's video I'm going to be doing super string lanterns with you. So let's get started. I'll tell you all the things you will need. A lantern like light, 2 pairs of gloves, an inflatable ball, like a beach ball. Some string comes with 3 colors. It'll come with some glazed glue, the thing that wraps the string around, some golden sparkly string, and it'll come with 3 plastic sheets like this. Last but not least, a tie. The things that you will need from home are a bowl, a plastic cup or a mug, a pencil with an eraser on the back, a ruler, and some scissors. And if you want, you can use any type of string for the end. So let's get started. Take our string, and take this string loop, and we're gonna put it up here, and we're going to loop it around to 25 or 30 times. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to just snap it with the scissors. And I'm going to take the golden string and wrap it for at least 10 to 15 times. I'm going to snap it from the top. I'm going to put the string to a side. This is how it turns out. A little fluffy and pom-pommy. So I'm just going to keep that to the side, and let's move on to the ball. So for extra safety, you can use newspaper, because I'm using newspaper. Now that I got my newspaper on my table, I'm going to take my balloon and blow it. It's fun to blow the thing. But also a bit hot. Now, my plastic paper that I showed you, plastic mainly, plastic bag, you're gonna take your ball and put it inside from the back. Leave the top like that, Okay, that was easy. Before I start, I'm going to put on my gloves because this is going to get messy. So you're going to take a little bit of your string, and I'm going to put this string on here, and I'm gonna wrap it around. So I'm almost done, halfway through. Okay, so I have this much. Yay, I'm almost done. This is way more quicker than I did it last one. Now, the last extra string, you're just gonna tuck it into under another string. So after you're done with this, you're gonna, it's stuck. Okay, you're gonna take your silver string and do 17 yards or 19 yards, or as much as you want. I only use this much. Now you're gonna take your glaze and the rest of the glue you have, gonna pour it in. Don't, like, if you pour too much, it's gonna be super gluey. Oh. Yeah, that's really, oh, my hands are sticking. It's a shower! Raining showers! Raining glue shower. So, oh man. Now comes for the mixing. My hand's already sticky, so I'm just gonna mix it. What? I'm gonna wash them. So you're gonna put it on your ball and yarn the silver. Yarn this thing. Okay, so I am done. Take my plastic cup and put it on. So let this dry for 24 hours. If your ball dries completely for 24 hours, you're gonna take the ball, and on the open side, you're just going to open it, and you're gonna take your pencil and the eraser on the back side of your pencil. You're just going to poke Woohoo! We got it out! Oh, no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. You can just fix the shape of it. Okay, to move on to the next step. So you're gonna take this and you're going to just, you see these two holes? You're gonna put both of these strings on the top, like in the holes. So now that I tied it, I'm going to take my jack-o'-lantern and I'm gonna put it in here. And I'm going to take this inside, take my tie. In the middle of the ball, I'm gonna put the end like this, and I'm going to just twist it around. I'm just going to put that in there. I'm just gonna tie it. And there's your lantern. I hope you like this video. Comment down below which of my videos you like the most. Subscribe, like, and click the bell icon for more videos with It's Rianchika. Bye!